Okie dokie. So this is the unboxing of my new set of headphones. These are by SoundCore. The brand is Anchor. I got them on Amazon and just received it. So let's see what we have here. Okay. As you can see, here is the Life 20. The Life 20 SoundCore. Pure sound, no noise. So it has sound canceling. And let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. Let's see. Inside this bag we have what? Looks like we have a kind of carrying pouch. And we have some documentation. Okay. And then we have, of course, the headsets. Here we go. As you can see, there it is. And these are on ear, so they fit really nice and comfortable. And let's go ahead and see what happens. And so you press it and it automatically finds the device. And as you can see, the sound canceling automatically comes on. And we're good to go. So that is the Life Q20 SoundCore headsets by Anchor. Very nice.